When you first start up VPX for the very first time, you will be prompted to enter registration information. I will show you that by way of trying to update the license, but here it will request me to enter certain information, and then it will create this code. We will respond back with a code that you put in this license field and you save it. And that will set up your VPX for whatever permissions you've paid for. And to give you an example of what that means is, if you simply want VPX as a demo, you can do a 30-day evaluation and we'll give you a 30-day license. If you decide that you want to keep it, then you pay for a full license and we give you a new code and you enter that, and then VPX is now permanently open. VPX standard comes with the ability to create a single video wall with one image stretched across that video wall, and you can change sources to it, but that's the extent of VPX standard. WallMaster plugin completely changes that and now allows you multiple video walls with multiple layouts and the automation of that.